Stock exchange market has been open. So what's today's trend? Let's see what's today's trend. So here I am. Hello everyone, I'm Rabi Amjad. I'm gonna tell you what's today's trend of the stock exchange market and the international financial market. What's the news about the stock exchange, that what is happening in the stock exchange and what's really going on. So let's see. After, you can see that last week market closed in buying position and market closed at the higher rate of the stock exchange market. So now today's New York Stock Exchange opened with the exact same glow and glam, and it opened with the gap. And the most importantly, I'm going to tell you that today's market of commodities opened with the gap. Now what's the gap? We will see later on in this video. So first we will see today's opening prices. The low and high of the Australian dollar is low is 0.7345, whereas high is 0.7380, and gold low is 1967, whereas high is 1976, whereas XCG silver low is 27.59, whereas high is 28.14. The opening prices of all the especially commodities are different, and what was that I will tell you later on this video. So please keep watching and keep subscribing my channel also for daily basis today's trends and daily basis to get to know daily trend. So here it is, the today's chart where shows charts that market close of the gold in 1964 price, whereas its opening price is today is 1967. The difference between 3 bips and the 3 bips gap opening like 1967, it shows us that market is now will definitely go upside first, because after all gap opening, where is the market open with the gap, the market will definitely go exact that level. So we are seeing the gap opening, and the next level of the gold would be 2000, and if it break 2000 level, then 2030 would be the next upside level and upside rate for the gold. So buying is recommended for today and for up till now, whereas it will after going upside, it will definitely come downside to fill its gap, and the rate would be like 1934. It will go downside till 1934 would be the first downside resistance, and if it didn't resist, if will not resist 1935, then it will go downside more like 1902 level, and the rate would be 1902, which saying that second downside resistance would be like 1902. So gold will definitely go upside, and then it can definitely come downside to fill its 3 bips gaps, and we will see the selling then. Now talking about the silver, what the silver chart shows us. Silver also open with the gap, and we will see again also a little bit buying and a little bit high rate in the silver. Now let's see the chart. The chart says that silver closes price was like 27.46, whereas its opening price is like it opened with the gap and opening price is 27.56. So 10 bips gap will definitely be filled sooner or later in this week or today, but first it will go the upside, and 28.74 would be the next upside first resistance level for the silver, whereas after going upside, it will definitely come downside to fill its gap, and the level would be, and the rate and the price of would be 26.07 of the silver. There it's also good price to buy silver. So gap opening also always shows us that the gap will definitely be filled, but later on, because it open with the gap of the upside gap open at upside level, so it will definitely go in buying position. Commodities will go buy, and it's good time to buy, but short buying is recommended, whereas it will definitely sell. Now talking about the currency, and the most important, my favorite currency is Australian dollar. What the Australian dollar says us, let's see the chart of Australian dollar. And Australian dollar, as you see that it was so much bullish last week and last Friday and last working day of last week, and it goes so much upside, and the level today's also it will go upside, and the level will be 0.74 as the first upside resistance, as its RSI shows that 90% of upside, and the bullish trend has completed by the Australian dollar. So it will definitely come downside, and 50% retracement is next target for the Australian dollar, and the next level of 50% retracement rate would be like 0.7307, which was also first downside, first resistance, whereas it will definitely after if it hitting 50% retracement, it's good price to buy at 0.7304. so Australian dollar is still in buying position, but 50% retracement we will see in today or in this week. So but commodities, it also in buying position, but it will sell sooner or later on this week, because it have to come downside and in selling position to fill its gap. So that's for all now. Please subscribe my channel and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because if you get to know and you want to know daily trend of the stock exchange market, so please keep like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also click bell icon for further assistance. Thank you so much.